Creating fantastic grass means mowing at the right time. It means easy preparation and setup. Everything is just as I want it. With a few simple steps, I'm ready. It means knowing my HRX will start and run smoothly, each and every time. And the peace of mind I get from my Honda. It means adjusting the cutting height and choosing to fully collect my grass. It means setting the engine speed and engaging the blades. It means feeling relaxed as I begin to mow. Creating fantastic grass means going where I want, at a pace that suits me, in total control and comfort. It means confidence in the latest technology, knowing the grass bag is filling efficiently, with each clipping neatly double cut by the twin blades. It means being able to empty the grass bag without restarting the engine. It means another job well done.
Creating fantastic grass with my HRX. It means making simple adjustments, like choosing a mix of collecting and mulching to suit my lawn, which saves me time and is good for my garden. It means changing to full mulching, so no grass enters the bag, for fantastic lawn nutrition. It means fine clippings for an improved mulch. It means the choice to discharge the clippings. It means mowing any grass length with power and control. It means the satisfaction of a job well done. Creating fantastic grass, it means a fantastic lawn and the dream garden. The next generation of lawnmower. From Honda.